Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger a voice AI agent using Go. By the end of this video, you'll have a voice AI agent that sends automated voice alerts for product deliveries that your Go application can trigger over HTTP. First, let's build the agent. Head over to AI Studio, open Vibe Agent, and start typing your prompt to define what the AI agent should do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered voice AI agent that calls customers whenever there is a change in the delivery status. The agent should explain the delivery situation, share delivery-related details, and if required, collect information from the customer and share next steps. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your voice AI agent. Now open the API request trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API auth ID and API auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API request details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever the delivery partner makes a change to the delivery status. Next, click on the language dropdown on the right. For this video, let's select Go. Plivo generates a ready-made Go snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. Use this snippet as a standalone Go script or from within your application to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever the delivery partner makes a change within the product delivery status on the e-commerce app or website. Now let's test it locally. Paste the Go snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your voice AI agent.
Hi, Emily. This is a call regarding your delivery of Nexus Air Pro shoes. I'm calling to inform you that today's delivery attempt was unsuccessful because the address could not be located.
I was at home. Why wasn't it delivered?
So the delivery partner attempted delivery to the address, 512 Market Street, apartment 3D, San Francisco, California, 94105, but he could not locate it.
Oh, I see the issue. It should be 521 Market Street, not 512. Sorry, my bad.
Okay, thanks for confirming. I've gone ahead and updated your address to 521 Market Street, apartment 3D, San Francisco, California, 94105 in our system and on your account as well. The package will be reattempted and should be delivered within 2 to 3 business days. You'll receive an update once it's out for delivery.
Okay, thanks a lot for this. Really appreciate it.
And that's it. Your voice AI agent for automated voice alerts is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your Go application calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent, place an outbound call, and share the delivery update automatically.